Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about lawnmower parts selling on eBay and Bonanza. I'm a full-time eBay and Bonanza seller. Today's video I'm going to show each other side. Okay, today's a video about Craftsman V60 push mower, electric battery operated motor. Okay, this particular engine mower, one of my friend, he gave it to me free. Then I try to sell this motor on eBay and Bonanza. Okay, I'm going to show you how to break down about eBay pieces and how much profit you can keep it from eBay and Bonanza. Okay, this is my little workshop. You can see this 12 by 15 workshop. Right now it's a little bit mess, sorry about that. Then in the future I'm going to expand my workshop. I have bigger space on my backyard. I try to replace 20 by 40 warehouse. Right now this one pack, and I don't have any that much rooms. Okay, talking about my business, I'm a full-time eBay and Bonanza seller, and as well marketplace also. Usually I buy stuffs like that is a store range. I buy stuff from auction, storage auction, and some item from marketplace. So store I have right now washing machine and some other parts, already separated parts. And usually I'm selling lawnmowers, engine right here, lawnmower deck and engine and handles, and here I deck right here, and some other parts under the knee. That's a mess. That's why I don't want to show everything. That's a little bit messy, and I had to organize later on. Alright guys, talk about that. So particular engine, some of my friend, he gave to me this lawnmower, Craftsman V60 push mower, electric battery operated lawnmower. Okay, this breakdown, if you sell this one $100, then you have to ship in pieces about $25 US around the state. I'm sell from Indiana. Then if someone buy from California or Oregon, Arizona, it's gonna be a little bit cost $5 extra more. Roughly $25 for this shipping box going around Texas, Arizona, New York, and Maryland, other state, except California or Oregon. In 17 by 12 by 11 box, gonna be weight about 20 lb. Yeah, gonna be okay. If I list $100, this on the shipping cost gonna be $25, $125 eBay charge for automatic charge for selling, tax $5 at least. Gonna be total cost is $130. Then gonna be breakdown, shipping cost $25, and eBay fees gonna be $30. I'm a top seller, eBay seller, top rated seller. Then gonna be a little bit discount, and if they charge 10%, gonna be $30. Then you can keep $150 net profit, because I got this lawnmower free. If I buy from auction, storage auction, I'm talking about this one, like gonna be cost $40 for this item. This exactly everything work, and dishwasher also working, everything good, nothing wrong with those items. Gonna be one piece for $40 and $40 for this one. Get auction, gonna be I put $20. then out of 20, then gonna be at least you can keep $80 for this particular motor. Right, that's eBay breakdown. And yeah, I try to bring that kind of videos for you guys, how much gonna be cost, how much breakdown the eBay taking out the piece, about the engine, lawnmower deck, and handles, and it's two parts. I'm selling, gonna take it apart. This one, doors and knobs, everything separate selling, and dishwasher doors and handle, everything, drum, everything sell from separately, motor parts, everything. This is a more profitable business if you buy storage, auction style, then you can keep 100%. Sometimes they give some stuffs for free for special marketplace. If you have friends and family, then you can collect from parts like that, store range, and washing machine, microwave kind of stuff for free. The one of neighbor gave to me last week this lawnmower. That's free. This one working lawnmower. Then I can break it down later, separate the parts, how much on from the handle, wheels, deck, engine. Right now I unpack my warehouse. Indeed, I need a bigger place. As I in future, I'm going to plan my backyard replace 20 by at least 30 warehouse, and I can expand my business in the future. Okay, this is my work table, and yeah, cardboards. I collect cardboards from one of warehouse. They give me free for the cardboards, and these kind of boxes I from Walmart. It's kind of like $1, I guess $1, less than $1. Okay, that's kind of stuff. Right now I operate my inside house room, computers and everything. This is a warehouse type and packing and everything I'm doing right here. Okay, especially I do last week I separate that dishwasher. It's a dishwasher parts, model number, yeah, Samsung. I put everything neat, and then not mixing with the other parts. So dishwasher also good selling in eBay right now, and Bonanza. So if you can start your business, eBay, Bonanza, like that, get the parts from marketplace and separate, can sell on eBay. Okay, that's a short video about today. Then I'm going to continue my like that videos, dishwasher parts and other stuffs, lawn mowers, appliances, all appliances. I'm doing all appliances, and outdoor garden, riding mowers, and push mower, and pressure washer parts, everything. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. See you in later. Thank you.